Welcome to RAS classes. Today we'll discuss some programs using array. Write a program to find the sum of all elements in an array. Write a program to find sum of all elements. In an array. Just see. Has include stdio.h. Why stdio.h? This is standard input output header file we are taking because of we are using what? Printf and scanf predefined functions. Next, integer main. Then I am taking variable I to continue the loop. Then array I am declaring. Suppose size I am declaring large size, and to input n number of elements I am taking n, and to find sum I am taking the variable sum and initializing to 0. Clear? Now see. First I have to input the value of n, printf. This is \n. To go to the next line, enter what? The size of array. Clear? Then scanf %d ampersand n. Clear? Then I have to input elements to this array. First give the message printf enter elements to array. Then scanf I have to take what? One loop. Any loop you can take. I am taking for loop. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Clear? Then scanf %d ampersand a of I. This for loop I am using to input all elements. That means n number of elements to this array. Clear? That means suppose I am taking n value is 5. So this is up to 50, but I am taking only 5 elements. Suppose I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is array A. Clear? Now see, here I have taken ... because I have taken the large size. It will be 50 locations. There will be size 50. But I am inputting n number of elements. N value will be maximum 50. But I am taking here, for example, I am taking n value is 5. So 5 value will be initialized with my given values. Suppose I am giving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Other value will be what? I have already discussed. Other value will be 0, 0, 0. But I don't bother about those values. Clear? Next, to find the sum of n elements, what I have to give? What I have to write? Just see. First I have to travel from first position to n minus 1 position. This is first 0 position to n minus 1 position. First I have to travel. To travel what? In loop. To travel in array, what? I have to give any loop. Just take one loop. Suppose I am taking for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n. Less than n means what? It will go up to n minus 1. Clear? Otherwise you can take I less than equal to n minus 1. I have already discussed. Clear? Then I plus plus. Then when I am traveling, what I have to do? Find the sum. Sum of what? All elements. That means sum equal to sum plus a of I. That means a of 0. Then it will be added to AF2, AF1, AF2, AF3, AF4 like this. Just see, this will be what? Sum. For sum I have taken SUM. Sum equal to sum plus A of I. Just see, after completion of this loop, the total sum will be stored in this variable sum. Then I have to print only that variable. Printf sum of elements equal to %d, then sum. Okay, then this is integer main, so I have to take in what? Return 0, and this is the end of main. Okay, now see, first I will input 5 values, then see, I have to travel from 0 position to n minus 1 position. I equal to 0, I less than n value is 5. Then sum equal to sum plus A of I. First sum value is 0. When I value is 0, sum 0 plus A of 0. A of 0 means 10. So when I value is 0, then sum value will be what? 0 plus 10. That is 10. Then when I will be 1, this sum is previously 10. 10 plus A of 1. A of 1 means 20. This will be 30. This is for I equal to 1. When I equal to 2, what will the sum value? Sum value is previously 30 plus A of 2. I value is 2. A of 2 is 30. This will be 60. Clear? When I value will be 3, this element, sum value previously, I value equal to 3, sum value is previously 60 plus A of 3 is 40, this will be 100. Clear? When I value will be 4, previously it is 100, sum value is 100, and A of 4 is 50. Total will be 150. Clear? It will be stored in sum. Now when I value is 5, condition is false. I less than 5, condition is false, but I value is 5 now. So it will go out of loop. So it will print what? Print as sum of elements equal to %d sum. Now sum value is 150. So it will print 150. Sum of elements. What it will display? This message first. Sum of elements equal to 150. Clear? Now find, this is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. This is 150. Clear? This is the program to find the sum of elements. Today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss more programs using I. Thank you.